Have you ever wondered why some people wake up early, exercise daily, and seem super productive while others struggle? The difference isn't willpower, it's habits. Welcome to Smart Moyen, where we help young adults hustle smart, earn smart, and live smart. In today's video, we'll break down how to build good habits that stick, and how to finally break those bad habits holding you back. Let's get into it. Every habit, good or bad, operates in a three-step loop. First, there's the cue, a trigger that initiates the behavior. Imagine your alarm clock going off in the morning. That's your cue to start the day. Next comes the routine, the action you take in response to the cue. Finally, there's the reward, the satisfying feeling you get from completing the loop. Understanding this loop is key to changing your habits, both good and bad. The first step to building a good habit is to make it obvious. Want to drink more water? Keep a full water bottle on your desk throughout the day. This visual reminder acts as a constant cue to stay hydrated. Another powerful technique is habit stacking. Link a new habit to an existing one. We're naturally drawn to things that bring us pleasure, so why not make your new habit something you actually look forward to? Listen to your favorite podcast, audiobook, or upbeat music while you exercise. The easier and more enjoyable a habit is, the more likely you are to stick with it. Make it easy. Start small and reduce friction. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to build new habits is setting the bar too high, too soon. Instead of aiming for a complete transformation, start small. If you want to read more, start by reading just 2 pages a day. Another way to make new habits easy is to reduce friction. Prep your workout clothes the night before, or chop your vegetables for the week on Sunday evenings. Make it satisfying. Track your progress and celebrate wins. Our brains are wired to seek out rewards, so it's crucial to make your new habits feel rewarding. Visualizing your progress can be incredibly motivating. Don't underestimate the power of celebrating your wins, no matter how small they may seem. Positive reinforcement goes a long way in solidifying new habits. Now, let's talk about breaking those pesky bad habits that are holding you back. The first step is to make the cue invisible. If scrolling through social media before bed is your vice, try leaving your phone in another room. Next, make the habit unattractive. Remind yourself of the negative consequences. Finally, make the bad habit difficult to perform. Remember that reward we talked about earlier, the one that makes habits so addictive? To break a bad habit, you need to remove the reward. If watching TV late into the night is affecting your sleep, try unplugging the TV after each use. Another powerful technique is to enlist the help of a friend or family member. Knowing that someone else is aware of your commitment can make it much harder to give in to temptation. Starting a new habit can feel overwhelming, but remember, you don't have to do everything perfectly from day one. The key is to simply get started. That's where the 2-minute rule comes in. Any new habit should take less than 2 minutes to start. Once you've established the habit of showing up, you can gradually increase the duration or intensity. Now you know how to build good habits and break bad ones, but knowledge alone isn't enough. Real change happens when you put these principles into practice. Pick one habit to start today. Even a small change can make a big difference over time. Tell me in the comments which habit you're working on. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips on leveling up your life. See you in the next one.